guys, welcome. Happy Sunday to all of you. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're enjoying your Sunday. So we're here for an unboxing. Let's just get that right off the bat. We're here for an unboxing. So I've done this unboxing before of Farmasi products. So got another box that I want to share with you. Now, what is Farmasi? So I joined Farmasi about almost a month and a half ago. I'm so excited about being a part of this company. I am an influencer with Farmasi, and don't be impressed by the word influencer. Anyone can be an influencer. I've been a fitness or wellness influencer for a very long time, but now I'm part of this company, Farmasi, and now I am a Farmasi influencer. Again, it's not a big deal in terms of, if I can do it, anyone else can do it as well, right? So I've been with them for about a month. I was with another company for 5 years, and I made the transition over to Farmasi because Farmasi has products that we use every day, products that we, maybe as women or men, can appreciate. Things like skincare, things like body care, wellness products, right? We're all, very much interested or pursuing a healthier lifestyle. At least I hope we are. I know I am. That's my number one priority is to always pursue a healthy lifestyle. So that's why I had to come over to Farmasi. Now, I had never heard of Farmasi prior to me joining, and I came over because some of the uh, distributors from the company that I was with came over to Farmasi. I did my research. I loved what I saw and what I heard. Again, I had never heard of the company, but when you never heard of something, that doesn't mean that it's not great, right? And I did my research and found out. Here's what I found out. I found out that Farmasi has been around for over 70 years. Farmasi has been number one company in Turkey, right? Because this is a European company. So number one in Turkey, welcome. But in the United States, as a multi-level marketing company, it is number 28. That is impressive. That is very impressive. If you know anything about multi-level marketing, number 28 in the United States and number one in Turkey is very impressive. Anyway, so today we're doing an unboxing because I received another package. So I said I'm going to share it with the people so they could understand what I'm so excited about. Welcome. Happy Sunday. Hope you're doing well. Comment below if you have any comments. What you're doing today on Sunday. What are you doing today? What's so cool about what you're doing today? Right? But I'm about to share these products with you. So I didn't even take them out of the box. They're still in the box. I did open the box, right? But I didn't even look at the products yet. So we're going to be exploring this together. All right? All right. So this is a smaller box. The unboxing I did before, I have a few more other products. But this one is a little smaller, plus it's different from the items that I had before. So first off, now this product right here, I've been taking it, but I had them in the form of shots. This is the L-carnitine. It has green tea and vitamin B6. So I've been taking this, but I had them, let me show y'all. I was taking them in the form of this small shot, right? So I decided to buy this 15-ounce bottle. Same thing, tastes really great. Again, if you don't know much about L-carnitine, it helps you with fat metabolism. All right, so if you are on a journey to get rid of a little fat, get some L-carnitine. Right, so what it does, it converts your fatty acids into energy. Right, so If you need more information, I'll be glad to give you more information. Today we're just doing this unboxing. All right, so that's one thing. All right, another thing I got is remember I said that this company is personal care, skin care, and wellness, right? So this of course is the wellness. Here is, we have toothpaste. This is our whitening toothpaste. All right, so I wanted to try that, so that's why I ordered the whitening toothpaste. I'm somebody that, you know, my teeth are very important. I take very good care of my teeth. And you know, as you start aging, if you can relate, as you start aging, your teeth don't look as bright and as white, right? Especially also, I drink a lot of coffee. You know, not a lot, I don't want to say a lot, but I am a coffee drinker, and that tends to stain your teeth, right? So I said, let me try the Farmasi toothpaste. And so I look forward to, you know, sharing that with you guys, how it works out. Next, we have this calendula soap. So if you know anything about calendula, it is a plant, and this soap in particular, I've heard very good things about the calendula soap. If you're someone that has any type of skin irritation, you know, you have rashes, you have eczema, you have dermatitis, some kind of irritation to your skin, this calendula soap will help you. It will support any of that, you know, any irritations. Look it up. Look what calendula is if you're not familiar with the plant calendula. All right, so we got that. I've got two of those actually. I got two of those. And then I'm excited about this, y'all. So remember, I also mentioned we have makeup. So I've already showed you a couple things. I showed you the wellness product. I showed you personal care product. Personal care. Now I'm going to show you the makeup. So I got this BB cream. So this is the premium BB cream. So I'm looking forward to trying that. I hope that I got the right color. I got deep, and so I'm going to be trying that and sharing that, of course, with you. So it's BB cream or beauty balm. If you're someone who, you know, you don't wear makeup, but you want a little bit of coverage, right? Maybe you have some dark spot. Maybe you just want to brighten up your skin. BB cream is excellent for that because it's very light. You know, your skin looks like skin, natural. So, you know, I know people be like, oh, I don't want to wear makeup. And okay, that's great. I wear makeup. I love makeup. All right, but on a daily basis, I do like to wear BB cream, not like heavy foundation. Like I reserve the heavy foundation for, you know, days like when I'm going out or, you know, things like that. So the BB cream is excellent for using on a daily basis. So I'll be sharing that with you guys. And lastly, I told you this was small. This was small. I got the calendula. Now this came free. Like, this is the beautiful thing about Farmasi. You get so much free stuff, right? You order products, or you order a certain amount, you get some free products, right? So this time around, last time I did my unboxing and I did order, I got this travel bag for free, right? It has the Farmasi logo on it, and it says travel bag. So this is gonna be great for when I travel, right there. So I got this for free, and I got some mascara, which I have on today. So I got some mascara. I love the mascara. I'm a lash girl, you know. I'm either wearing, I spend money on mascara, or, you know, I buy lashes. I'm a lash girl. But this time free, I got this calendula. Remember I mentioned the calendula plant mask. So this one, let me just read. It says a facial mask that helps hydrate the dry and sensitive skin. So this is gonna be great. This, can you see this? There comes 10 sheets of mask inside here, and this right here was free, right? So that's what's in my box. I'm really excited about, you know, sharing this stuff with you guys. How it like, for instance, how the BB cream works and the whitening cream and all of that. Now the L-carnitine, which I have been using. Let me turn this so y'all probably could hear my computer so noisy. the L-carnitine, which I've been using. This stuff is amazing, right? I've been trying to lower, my body fat, and this has definitely helped me in that respect. I've been using it for a month. I've been sharing with you guys my glow drink that I have every morning, and it includes the L-carnitine. So if you're on a journey, remember, L-carnitine is a compound, right? And it helps you with fat metabolism. It converts your fatty acids into energy, right? Which is what we need. We need energy to do so much. Food is energy. In case you didn't know, food is our energy. So this converts to energy. Why not try L-carnitine to assist you or support you in your journey of whatever it is, whether it's you trying to get fit, you're trying to lose weight, you're trying to get rid of that spare tire, you're trying to get rid of the fupa, whatever. L-carnitine, and it tastes really good. So that's that. What else? I think that's it. That's all that's in this box, but I will be sharing more unboxing of different products that I'm getting. By the way, I'm looking for people who are, either here in the United States or out of the United States, because Farmasi is a global company. So if you're looking, to make some extra money for the holiday, I'm looking for those who are serious, who want to make some extra money. I just did a live on YouTube, which you can go and check out, in which I explain how this company works, how you make money with Farmasi. And it's fun. It's a lot of fun because you get to, not only do you, if you're a social media person, you get to share with your audience, what you're doing as a beauty influencer or wellness influencer, whichever one you decide to focus on. And you get to, get pretty all the time and take pictures and, and share that. That's what this company has me all excited about, because I am able to be myself, right? I love all things wellness. I love feeling good, feeling pretty, and this company has products that I already use anyway. Like, this is not new. This isn't new. Like, I'm not new to BB cream, and I'm not new to whitening toothpaste, but why not get paid for it, right? Like, purchase a product that I'm already using, but get paid for it. Because I'm sure you buying things off Amazon, nobody's paying you for it. You just spending your money on Amazon. Nobody's giving you money for it. Like, you can't take the products that you buying off Amazon and sell it to somebody else for another price, because they're gonna look at you like, I'll just go get it myself off on Amazon. But not these products. Number one, these products are luxury products, right? Luxury products, because Farmasi is a manufacturer of luxury products, but they are at an affordable price. So if you like good things, you like luxury things, but you don't want to pay a lot of money for it, Farmasi is it. And if you want to make extra money selling these luxury products, being a beauty influencer or wellness influencer, then comment below, I'm ready to be an influencer, and I will share the information with you. Anyway, that's it. I wanted to share with you guys what I got in my box today. I hope that you have an amazing Sunday. I will come back later on this evening, probably, and possibly share the Farmasi opportunity. Yeah, I think I'll do that. Like I said, I just did that on YouTube in Spanish. I did the comp plan in Spanish because, like I said, this company is global. We are in 52 countries, 40 actually, 12 that are coming in 2026. So we will be in 52 countries. So somebody, let's say you get in this company as an influencer, you're able to build a team in any of the countries that we are present, right? Imagine you meet somebody in another country, somebody in another country, and they take off with this business. That means you're gonna take off as well, because you're gonna benefit from whatever they sell. So think about it. All right, guys, have an amazing Sunday.